Well, here we are with acres and more. No, not Justin, but I'm Ron. Justin will be in this video a little bit later on. But we recently bought one of those chainsaws you guys might have seen advertised on YouTube. That's where I've seen it. Not for sure how you pronounce it, but I call it Vevor, I guess the brand. This is not a paid advertisement for them. We just bought this. I want to see how it works. $110, 62 cc chainsaw. So this is the box that came in. Came with your bar protector if you're not using it. Came with a handy dandy little funnel for pouring your gas and oil in. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, this is so you can mix your gas and oil, your oil with your gas mixture for the gas for that. Mix that in there. You have your Vevor bar, of course. Came with a little bag here. Looks like probably some tools, it sounds like, in here. I'm going to guess your, handy dandy earplugs. Comes with your, to loosen and tighten your bar. Come with a file to sharpen your chain. So it came with that. And then for the saw itself. So here's the saw. In here is your chain. So we're going to be putting this together, and then we're going to be cutting some wood. So see how it all works. Again, Vevor is not paying me for this. I'm just giving you guys a product recommendation, or just buying this, what it looks like, and then how well it works. All right, here we go. This is going to be our test. We already kind of primed it up a little bit to get it started, but let's see how well it does. Justin, what kind of wood is this?
Hickory.
That's hickory. That's a good hard wood. I gotta tell you, Justin, the Vevor, I think, has kept me out, ain't it?
Yeah, that did good.
We have Poland before, and just not enough nuts to it. But this right here is getting it done, I believe.
Oh yeah, we can get some wood now.
All right, good deal. So we're calling this the Vevor Experience. Got load here in the trailer. Got the Kubota all loaded up. Justin took us, what, 2 hours maybe?
2 hours.
Or about 2 hours. So, Justin, thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I agree. Thumbs up.